First order of the day, we're gonna take this little 625 for 4.5 miles. More than 821 to be exact. So we're gonna go ahead and accept that. Sir, just made it to my second pickup of the day, pickup number 2. We all the way sparked up today. I got $22 for 2.9 miles. Let's get it. I'm about to make this money today. I'm not playing. I'm ready too. I'm out early. I ain't been out this early in a minute. Usually, you know, I be in the house editing till about 12, sometimes 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm out early. It's 9 o'clock. I already got one order done. I'm at my local Walmart. Second order. It's an extra large order. I think I need to move some stuff around. Man, I'm getting money. From Saturday, 11/26 to Monday, 11/28. Complete 12 trips to earn an extra $36. Complete 18 trips for an additional $36, totaling in $72. I'm definitely going for that incentive. So that's what I like about Spark. They always got just a little something extra out there for you. Just the other day, I earned the extra 15 bucks through incentives, and I didn't even know it. Like, Spark for the win. Let's go. So if you out there and you're doing delivery apps, I highly recommend that you give Walmart Spark a try, because it's been very profitable for me here in my market. Very, very important that you multi-app, guys. Check this out. I just got a Grubhub order. First Grubhub order in a while. $7.35 for 3.6 miles. It's at McDonald's. I don't even go to McDonald's, but check me. I'm about to go there today. We got a promotion on Grubhub. I'm actually on block. So from 8 to 10, I'm on block. If you don't skip, if you complete 2 orders without skipping none, you get an extra $4. So it's already a profitable order. And now, if I get one more order after this, even if it ain't desirable, I can take it and still make a profit. Let's get it done. Next order of the day, we got $6.50 for 3.9 miles right here at Cracker Barrel. So we're gonna slide up in here, see if they got this food ready.
Cracker Barrel would like to welcome Jim for 2. Your table's ready, Jim.
So, you know, sometimes when you pull up to a restaurant, it's gonna be a shit show. It was a shit show today. So I was dasher number 2 on this Cracker Barrel order. So, you know, they hit them with the good old 1-2. They went in there and got the order and decided, you know what, I didn't have no breakfast, so I'm gonna keep it. You know, they kept the order. Ooh, traffic is getting bad out here. Next order of the morning, we got $7.25 for 4.5 miles. Nice little order. I actually was finna hop on the highway, so I'm glad they sent me this, because I was getting ready to make a right and I need to be making a left. So we're gonna go ahead and make this left turn, and we're gonna go up here to Hardee's. Is actually right up the street, directly up the street. And get this order dropped off. It's perfect timing. I'm gonna be heading closer back towards my area, because if you just let DoorDash, you know, send you anywhere, you'll end up, you know, anywhere on any side of town. And I kind of want to stay localized to one little area today. So after I get this order done, which is going in that same direction, I'm gonna keep going in that direction and only accept orders that are going in the route that I'm trying to go, dashing along the way my way. Almost at that 3-hour mark, and we doing good, making good progress today. Next order, we got $10.50 for 6.9 miles. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So we have 2. Next order of the day, Grubhub coming through. So we got, let me see, we got a Grubhub offer. We got $17.27 for 9.2 miles at KFC. I normally don't pick up at KFC, but today I made an exception because it's a Grubhub offer and it's a decent offer. That KFC order picked up already. Go ahead, throw that in the bag and let's get her dropped off. Ooh-wee, look at this driveway. Somebody needs to go ahead and repave that thing. Ooh-wee. You know this got to be private property, because that thing is not up to code. Woo, bumpity, bumpity. Alrighty, got that one dropped off. Next order of the day, $8.69 for 8.7 miles. But there's a huge but. It's bringing me back to my zone. This is a dash along the way dash. So I accepted this one because the drop off I'm doing now for Grubhub was pretty far away, 9 miles out of the zone. This one is bringing me back. So that 8.7 miles is not accurate. In relative to me already having to go that direction, I already had to drive those 8 miles. So I'm getting paid to do it now. Let's get this one done. And I also was able to grab this Walmart Spark order right here. 18 something for 8 miles, I believe. Gonna get that one done too. So This is how you want to dash right here. You maximize by always having an order in your queue and while you're completing the order. So I'm completing orders and declining and accepting favorable orders as they come to my phone. So that's what we got going. We're gonna head over to Panda and get this one picked up. Just got an offer on Grubhub, $11 and change for 11 miles. Bad offer, right? But guess what? It's going in the same direction as this Panda Express and the same direction as my Walmart Spark pickup that's in about 15 minutes. So I'm stacking it, and now I got a $20 worth of orders taking me to my Walmart Spark order. That's how you want to maximize right there. So all three of those orders, the Uber Eats order, the Grubhub order that I just accepted, and the Walmart Spark order, I'm gonna get all of those done within 1 hour. Maybe a little bit more, but guaranteed no more than an hour and 10 minutes. That's gonna be a $40 hour right there. That's how you maximize. And then I might take a break at that point.
Well, what can I get for you today?
Yeah, I'm picking up Uber Eats from Madison. I got a check on it. All right.
Is it Madison S?
Yep.
You may go for it then, thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Just snatched up this little $7 Grubhub order in the middle of doing this Walmart Spark. Maximizing, man. Stop playing with me. When I say I'm the fastest dasher alive, that's what I mean. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have over 130 bucks once I tally everything up. I'm already past the 4-hour mark. I'm gonna go all the way into the 5-hour mark with this Walmart Spark Dash. Look at this, Slim Chicken, 552 miles. That's not even a bad order, but I'm not going that direct. We're gonna see how much we make. 120 will be the 5-hour mark. So we're about 45 minutes away from there. Let's see how much more we can make. Look at these idiots. They don't even know that they ain't even in a lane. They on the shoulder, just rolling. 55 miles an hour on the shoulder. Look at them. They don't even care. Silly as hell. What the hell is wrong with these people? Look at them. Look. I'm gonna pull